Hey there, I'm here today with a couple of new devices. Finally got around to doing some unboxings. Many of you know I've been using the Surface Pro 9 5G, a Windows on ARM based Surface for, it's over 18 months now, I think. So today I'm going to move from that to one of the new Surface Pro models, the Surface Pro 11. That's what I got here in this box. Pretty cool looking box. This is a retail model. The commercial models for these are not out yet. But we managed to get a couple of retail models just to try them out and see what they're all about. Surface Pro 11, and I think this is called the Surface Laptop 7, so we'll get to unboxing them. Got the world's largest knife here for the job. I'll start with the laptop. Cool, so Microsoft, actually there's a box inside the box here. Let's get rid of the big box, that's good. Microsoft have switched their packaging over the last couple of years to be much more recyclable. So they're not wrapped in plastic or anything like that now, which is nice. And even the insides, they're using some sort of, feels like rice paper or something to cover the device, which is nice. All right. So the key thing about these devices, like my old Surface Pro there, they're running an ARM chip. So this is not an Intel chip, it's a different architecture. It's like the same kind of processor that's in your mobile device, mobile phone, tablet, that sort of thing. Generally, the advantage of ARM is that they run much better on battery. They last longer, they run cooler, and that's something I've really enjoyed about the Surface Pro in the last 18 months, the Surface Pro 9 5G. What else is in here? Bit of documentation that nobody will ever read, and new power brick, looks very similar to the old Surface power bricks. Aussie power cord in there as well. Again, not wrapped in plastic, it's wrapped in that paper. All recyclable, less soft plastic in the world. Standard power brick, doesn't have a USB port on it anymore, they dropped that a few years ago. And that's really it. That's everything that's in the box. Pretty simple. Power cord, Surface device. We'll get to the Surface Pro 11 now. That's the one I really want to use. Get rid of this stuff here. So Surface Pro 11. I love this device because it's the most versatile computer that's out there. The ability to work with a pen, touch, cameras, camera on the back, microphones, all that sort of stuff, as well as keyboard and mouse, is what's really important to me. Now, what I'm missing here is the new Flex keyboard. I couldn't get one in the blue color like this beautiful looking device, so I'm going to pair it with my old Surface Pro keyboard that's looking a little bit dirty, which is the same emerald color, and I'll put these two together. But yeah, here's the Surface Pro 11. Looks just like any other Surface Pro 9, Surface Pro 8, but it's got the ARM chip inside of it. And that's what we're really excited about. This is the next generation of these chips. They're proving to be, quite unmatched in terms of performance, which is great. So we're going to test it out and try it out in practical, real-world use. The one thing you will not find me doing with this is downloading any benchmarking tools to run benchmarks on it, because it's absolutely bogus. We're actually just going to put it to use. So if you want to see that, if you want to know anything more about the latest Surface Pro range, the retail, the commercial versions of these new ARM devices, stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and hit like on the video so that you can come back and see our content as we release it.